Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered strawberry yogurt. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 16 ounces of fresh, ripe strawberries, 8 ounces of your preferred plain or vanilla yogurt, and 4 ounces of good quality chocolate chips. Don't forget a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, which will make cleanup much easier. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick, delightful treat. Next, let's prepare the strawberries. Gently wash them under cool water to remove any dirt or debris. The most crucial step here is to thoroughly dry each strawberry. Use a paper towel to pat them completely dry. Any moisture left on the strawberries will prevent the chocolate from adhering properly, so take your time with this step. Now it's time for the chocolate. Melt your 4 ounces of chocolate chips using a microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring until smooth, or use a double boiler. Once melted, dip each dry strawberry into the chocolate, covering about 2/3 of the fruit. Let any excess chocolate drip off, then place them onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. Finally, for the best results, place your chocolate-covered strawberries in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes. This allows the chocolate to set perfectly, giving you a firm, delicious coating. Once chilled, serve them alongside a generous dollop of your favorite yogurt. This simple, elegant dessert is ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.